me who can tell a man. Me say, ya will never me mono, be bonny dear. Me the best first rim na ye, me the back quiet be.
Almost so much Jimmy, me say. Over so bomb diakramenka, yan what them. Ubo we are some bomb xiao. After all these things,
the MPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it.
Ghana for no abeti de me na say. Ghana for no abeti dwumade na me di na say. We are a gospel. And none of you guys can stop what we are doing. You see, I don't need to be in tenure, maybe I say. Yeah, your ma way, and you say, time will be you. Your person Ghana for you now, you become equal before the law. Your person Ghana for you now, any access to information. Your person Ghana for you now, obin tina baby, boom fia, near to Kroma, and Akwasi am paying you, catch say. The certificate Ira, Nanado Dan Akufo-Addo, ye musasem. Near to Ghana, and Akwasi am paying you, because say, the certificate also the course school a lawyer, no, Ira. And I enquire for maybe sorry, say, where dear your penal, where dear MPP ni, where dear Sapunjini, where dear Niano, where dear Beya, man, be the president, and yet now who Jimmy and Juan, and Modiquasi am paying you be the president. Near to Ghana, your Busako is on for the certificate in Betray. Yana nan mo mutin room, omni certificate. Ya papa no mutin grase, omni certificate. Yesi boy, una okwa abruchire ko sua de. Fa wo certificate becha o ka kire sa ira kwasiafo. Mo so sa agove we so. Sa agove we na no so sa ma ne be di president of Ghana 8 years. And I'm watching Ghana radio so ni TV so. E ka kire se we ene onyame doba na sebio we yi na maye. Sa no we Jimmy Chamber de. Oh my God, can we tell her the atom? Ya bet you know, ya power. Hey, for the 2 years, I'm going to be able Akwawe, Nanado Dan Akufo-Addo, Ebetina Kruma, Risk Contemporary, no, we be our Banumbi. We be our Banumbi, on your Akuto free, a free Akuto. We be our Yabaton Organa, be an Aquasampi, Wonumi. Neatia, Akufo-Addo, Winnimuno, Wako school, Najim will be here. Certificate, way, or a lawyer, because I'm paying you will be the president. Ne show sente, kwasi asam. When tumanya the papa bia or Ghana, or then a yere and mabe ria tem. The same thing I'm going to for see so. Most group of people na moti Ghana, my lucky crumb say yancha Ghana when you went free. And I'm going to for by oh, you have a pack of 4 munimuno, where the bear man and your pocha is a Sasko fan. Way, bien wa bing, the bush for Santa for Sika with fee, go for no chita fraka, and I'm going to buy. Obetina Ghana no kofa nempena Iraqini and obey an advisor to the finance minister and kwasiafo mba muntumanka yeso so moso intina nkende no mo promontuma kankan mu nanka nyina ye din mo bodam na mbujin say mo promontuma kankan mu na ye nyina ye din ye nananom yesi wanom tetefo na omuhu musam ye nipa no ye ne hu musa o ye hu musam ye nkofie muni mu nkofie ye nananom tetefo na no muhumu mo kasa mo kwase akasa na mo de hyehyɛ nipa so no omo na ehum samu ye nyansafo ye ne ehum samu ye nkofie muni mu nkofie de mo bo bayerefuo de mo ye mbumu posamu ye nipa because mo mududo no mo agimi ene ntina kwa we betum be di president kan wo de na men kan me de ya tete kroma mo de din kwase asam sa yanka bibia mo sori adama kwase sam kwase afo begu ya so we de ye we de anim no ye ne ede na ba ye de atwa ye furuma akwa we ni certificate we ya da wuti kroma ma akwa for ni certificate mba ne friend ex president nkwase asam sa eno mo so nkwase asam so samudi otwe bini ni wi a mo nkora abre mo de jimi na mo de anyini mo mpese mo betem adwene fi otwe bini ho na mo hu ade reality the way it looks we de enyo hene asama we de ye party asam sa jimi na na mo bi mu de anyini they say mo fufu ataban moa ye betwitwa ni nyina. This country is going to get to that point where obi ahunani o obi asantini o obi akroboni o obi afrafrani o obi dagatini o, they will have every right to speak their mind irrespective of where they are coming from. So obi enkremoni o obi kristoni o obi ko mozama kristo dien church obi dien everybody will be seen equally. Saade na ye fi on dey mo ya no kwasiafo. Saade na we are taking away from you and we have taken it. And the Ghana ne etno hini bia nsen obia region bia nsen obia penyini bia nsen obia akwara bia nsen obia, we are all equal before the law. Inti yem penema enkwasiakuo bi nyam adwene se ye de ye kasa e wo so obia ye di mabodam me me ya hunani ba Infantini ba me makwasi ampenyi bi amfri Ghana betete ahunani wo Ghana betete Infantini and tete asantini tete koni. We have to make sure we are all equal before the law. Into won tiasia for Jimmy koda. Say ya mamu space mamo Jimmy mo then you start to do your foolishness. Mo MPP no se mo asempapa bi ka kire Ghana fo a monko yi ba omia na why se bini no na monko te no ho na Ghana fo mu se ba omia nya kromfo. That is what you need to do. You people should pick that baomia who looks like a KVIP something. Na monko cleaning up. Say onye otrofo. Na mo te Ghana nkwasiafo mo twa mo fori ataba. Inti ye jimi nti ye remfi bibia. Ni ensantam to be ma intwam what is mo. Foolish incarnate of foolish people. Mami nche ni pani amfanyisha so. Mo muza question of certificate mra nkwasiafo. Mi di mo atama na mi nyini mo. Mi di mo atama na onyame hira me more because ade na me ye na onyame na de asimi so esima pempem eye onyame na de asimi so se memra na memema Ghana no sebio obi oye dagatini frafrani kroboni sebio mampurusini eye kusasini eye mfantini te seme ahunani enso ebenya voice. That is what we do here in your 30 years ano. Most of you foolish tribal bigots, stupid incarnates like you people, you don't have space in our political and social lives. Osa mobre. Kwasi afomo betena TV so ordinary Ghanaian na ejimi 47 na mubu Ghana for faso. Ordinary Ghanaian, the ordinary Ghanaian na maka bibia to nkofo bitrim. Ya de e kasa no anano. Ya de eni enim kasa. Ya ne ebube nwan ubube. Kwasi ampe mo government certificate mra na mo ankasa munim nyansa se MPP fo a se munim nyansa anka metena into dia mo ye nyina end game ne sen end game ne se 2028 ye nyina nsa nsoro nkoto abama mo emmoa na mo fa tumi ni nyaden mo fa tumi ne empepa moto emmoa mo de tumi ye den mo de ne se mo nkodi hene MPP fo yeah mo de ne se mo kodi abusua panyini yetu akonwa we akɔhye ho abusua panyini we ewu eye we aba ebia eyi adwasa wo papa ewi mo MPP for my say akatafo akata ni betuma ko school akodu Yesu still akata Jimmy ni wom sa na maye mo hu eyiye na mo hu funu a na mo MPP my say nwan mo MPP my say akatafo mo my say akatafo ay rather go make kwara say every mo Jimmy tu
I'll suck you. Sack me. It's too much. Every day they sack. Still, I'm standing here. Sack me. If you sack me, I'll go my hometown. And make the trial. I mean, who never gets in this competition? Nonsense, man. Bull to bull. Bull, man. Then that one was, I don't know, I can't say this is me now, but for. And you, my me. I got you down. I'll suck you. Sack me. It's too much. Every day they sack. Still, I'm standing here. Sack me. If you sack me, I'll go my hometown. And make the trial. I mean, who never gets in this competition? Nonsense, man. Bull to bull. Bull, man. Then that one was, I don't know, I can't say this is me now, but for. And you, my me. I got you down.
Every before, when Jimmy sack atafo mo life is akatafo echire mo hu funu the more you good at is yakosie we ye we de we ni papa nie yankoku funu ho yanko penti da ho nyeye mo MPP for Jimmy isuba ade papa bia na free mu ba de na free mu aba ye kasa mo ma yen kasa mo amokasa ma MPP no. Oh, there's one thing they are all running away from. Me echo I say I like the NDC ideology no but the party even though me a MPP full member, card bearing member and a dues paying member, but I like the ideology behind the NDC. Omoma obi ehwa hiasem eyomu hiasem. Almost all those foolish people talking and pretending as if some almost said they are not bold to say me MPP ni or me kasama MPP. They can't. You know why? They can't because omo say MPP ne Jimmy. They don't want to be associated with the MPP. Inti Ometna TV so, Ometna radio so, Oma social media. You can see they are fighting, but you ask them, what's the end game? Obviously, the MPP ba power na. You see, me say NDC tina power 42 years. That is what I've said. But what about you? Can you boldly say, I am doing this because I want NPP to come back to power? Because they know, people know they are tribalistic. People know they are liars. People know they are thieves. People know what they are doing is out of tribalism. Until every day, they are not able to take a stand to say, make us our TV so, make us our radio so, me person MPP but power. They cannot make that statement. Why? Because they know they are living with shit. What's the for? I am bold every single day on my platform to tell Ghana for I am here. I want to protect the ideology, said the MDC, because a buanipa. I want the NDC to stay in power for 42 years, even though I am an NPP member. Can you say so? The same? You can't. You can't because you are liars. Muya akurifuo. Muya sansafuo. Mudebi amu say ni pay Jimmy. You want to play on the conscience. And anything sometimes, I am a mubi. Muhu a tribe be a say obiye Jimmy. Nine. We will put everybody on a level. Yenina will see obia equally. Obia, nobody's going to underestimate anyone in Ghana. That is my job. And right now, recently, me call Ghana, they me say, in Kophobia na first, a man for be sure, they say, to be sure, right now, nobody is strong in Ghana. Obia nya bema or Ghana, obia ni power or Ghana. Yenina coming together, we form the power. And that is my job. And my job is to make sure, obia when I say, obey intimidate Ghana, ni bi mention whether tribe, religion, politics, I'm not going to agree. Now, I would say it's a conversation, you're spreading out. People are able to speak their mind. People are able to make their case. You see, also they are very uncomfortable. Every day, be no obi tan otumfo. Every day, be obi tan asante kwasia. Every day, be obi tan otumfo. Every day, obi tan asante. They cannot speak on the issues. You know why? It is because they are born liars. Akufo. Evidence, documentations. Nobody has been able to come to disprove those documentations. You know why? Because they know Akufo is a liar. He's a criminal. He's a political criminal. Or you would for. And then we sit here and we want to entertain this kind of yefrihanti yakasa yentie moi. Ufrihanti yankasa yentie no bi fria dia onyanipa. Ufriha into kasa yentie na aseme se de ofia o kasa ma me yentie emmoa. You used to say NDC for yentafo NDC for do munko school party amuko school chairman Wontumi na ebedi muso enwan party amuka brofo party amu intellectuals party amunim akenkan e read ti ase chairman Wontumi na ebedi muso as national chairman enkwasiafo ma ana mu refi mu ho ana mu refi bebia mu free ba ana mu refi mu ase. The foolish masses. You are the reincarnation of foolish masses. JB Dankwa catch them MPP for. Or see the foolish masses who vote for the MPP because they are stupidly ignorant. And it is showing. Anytime I make people know where I belong and what I am focused on. Me say, I like the ideology, philosophy of the NDC. It is a social, political party. They want Nipana Muti Krumno. I am not going to follow any property amassing stupid ideology. No. Even though me MPP, I believe that at this point, the NDC needs to lead. Why can't you do the same? Egamanfo mma ene mumema kwasiafo mo sorry a sana moye from 1992 Akufo mo yesa keka nipa wonsam etwitwa atro ya wo mo pe ne a want to binim na mo adwena say a confirm bini na mo keka nkwasiasem we kunya maame we kunya papa we ye say we de antiase na wonim nipa we akọ ni certificate we kwasiafo mujebi dango. We are cleaning the system. Miracle. Makacha Ghana for. The reason why I like this job is that I sit here with a clear conscience. And that clear conscience, it's able to help me navigate to see Ghana form. When I sit here, I am bold. And I am precise on the things I want to put across. This is not ending today. Until say you to the last person or tribalistic or you Jimmy Foba, until you make sure MPP negu na yate foforo. You see MPP na 3. A whole political party of intellectuals, muni chairman, munya muama. This is the time you need to sit and explain to Ghana for akwa we no ni certificate obedi so o Jimmy. There's a time for you people to explain to Ghana for Mahmoud Baomi anya true for. They na okay nyina no sebio or Jimmy but ebia obetima ye or the petrol could do 23 or the dollar could do 17. This is the time for you people to let Ghanaians believe say Baomi nipa. Now onye robot from China. This is the time for you people to explain. Show Ghanaians say sa MPP no anya tribal party etini menhia. This is the time for you people to let us know. Say J. Akufo or a vindictive or a wicked man who basically used power against his own people. This is what you need to do. This is your job. That is not my job. My job was to clean John Mahama and the NDC to bring them to power, to lead Ghana for 42 years. Your job is to make sure John Mahama and the NDC are out of power. My job is to keep them in power. Into me, my paki basino. My paki basino, I am ma. It is a, if you don't do the job here, don't blame anybody and say, Kevin Taylor can say, Kevin Taylor can say, now most of Kevin Taylor, I'm a blogger. Most Kevin Taylor, I'm in his studio. Most Kevin Taylor, I'm not relevant. And so most sorry, Kevin Taylor. It means I control the party. And I will tell you people what figure Mahamudu Bawumia will get in 2028. I will tell you. I will tell you people the exact figure Bawumia will get in 2028 elections. Because nothing is going to happen for him. I control. I will manage you people. And every single day, I will delete and upload. Nothing can change. That is why I control your party. MPP communicated be anymore $1,000. But that's a $1,000, $1,500. No blogger MPP ni be any to my platform with nobody. God gave it to me. Or say I call J, they save Ghana. Nobody. I control. And it's out of hard work. It's not that I'm being arrogant. It is out of hard work. It is all per se. People should recognize you are. That's all per se the party about power. Moma mohobeye the next 42 years. Now, good evening to Obia Oshebe Nyumbre. The certificate in a way. Akwa with the certificate in a way. Kwasiafo. Party of Intellectuals chairman. Wontumi Nebedimu national chairman. Kwasiafo. Party of Intellectuals. Yene yako school. Yene tumi kinkai. Yene tumi kwasiafo. Wontumi Nebedimu national chairman. Mwejimi. Empenifoni party nim. It is our party of intellectuals ne free. Wontumi cannot read and write. Into party of intellectuals ne free. Oh, some Jimmy. A party power as we speak. You don't have a national chairman. Now Sadi will be but dear no I say you the Wontumi. Why Jimmy? It's one kasana mo bekasa ana mo dwene ho. I should not be your topic. And be very honest. Let me give you people free advice. Kevin Taylor should never be your topic. When I wanted to help, when I wanted to help to bring the NDC to power, what I did was my focus was on the NDC. My focus was to let people know who John Dramani Mahama is. My focus was to let people know the achievement of the NDC. My focus was to educate Ghanaians to understand party that is tribalistic and party that is in to serve. My focus was to let Ghanaians understand, say, yen to me mfa edien, we emu yen tafo, we emu yen kranfo, we emu ye krobofo enchechreman. So I was able to do that job. Can you do it? You can't. So if I am your topic now, that means your party is a fucked up party. You have no direction. Muni focus. You cannot change any mind. You are tickling your stupid selves, believing say you are doing something. You are doing nothing. Because all the things you people are doing on radio and TV and social media, it is about me. And if it's about me, it means I can still carve another niche for another NDC president to take over. I'm your topic there. Then it means and I'm still creating a new room for NDC to rule for long until I can give you a new president. And I will. In the name of Allah, the omnipotent, Allah the merciful, Allah the gracious who has given me this favor, I will give you another president. And nobody can change it. Nobody in Ghana. Out of Ghana, in Ghana, Allah has said it. I will give Ghana a new president that will rule perfectly. What do you say that form? What do you mean the echo? $1,000 for? Munim the echo agamo mumudrono. Now, let me say It's exactly 4:48, 8:48 in Ghana. Good evening to Sandy. Good evening to Sandy. Sandy Adam for macho man be a minimum or Corolla. Corolla dinginano. Sa Corolla no or tinted. At the papa be a nim but or a tinted Corolla. A nice when we agree. And as a macho man no. Anka or Pakistan and cotton phones, but Ghana and Tiwabonti, I say Ghana the aginatum. It's a good evening to Sandy. A we no frame no so Sandy say Bonidin. Hey, macho no. Akwawe Otanik or Corolla be or Trema na say I send more du chen Corolla no into or paka ho krapo and here na akoto gatim. Hey macho no. Sandy yes, good evening to Sandy. Good evening to Jemima Thompson, good evening to Lamteni Odate Abdul Samed, good evening to you this evening. Also, Kwame Sly is watching me tonight. Benedict is live here on TikTok, no. Good evening to Ekuya Ya ono ene the class prefect TikTok. And what TikTok biano or class prefect Ekuya Ya, she can decide to say be you free man I say you free. Also Emmanuel Tete is live on TikTok tonight. Grace Wynn is live on TikTok. Stranger is watching me tonight on TikTok. Obisu to say Claude watching me this evening. David Saha watching me tonight. Carter is here. Omario is watching me live on TikTok this evening. Gifton Agri is watching Kevin Taylor and Ghost team. I can also see DJ Apuzo watching me tonight. DYWK, God, something. You two are watching me. Gentle Boy is live here on TikTok. Papa Ochri Jr. is watching me this evening. Iron Lady is live here. Also, DJ Huti is live. Naziru live on TikTok this evening. On YouTube and Facebook, Mihu Kwame Atokasa watching me this evening. Kojo is live here. Lamte is back again. Abdul Samed is watching me. Mihu Obiso Etese Apia King George watching me this evening. Ebenezer is live here. Also, Agakpeli is live. Hajia is watching me this evening. Every single person watching me tonight, I'd like to say welcome to the most authoritative, most listened to platform on the planet right now. Now, I need to take care of some few things quick. Me musama mi we asend video. I did go. Mudio majimi o.
Me pese me hu ka vintela ma. Me say ya una ewo mi mu no be bo no dua. Me de be fasirem. Me fasirem na anye ya me de be kwa ayigbe. Ayigbe anye ya me de be ko Burkina Faso. Burkina Faso anye ya me de be ko Abidjan. Eho anye ya me ko Benin. Eho Benin anye ya me ko Togo. Me pese me hu ka vintela ma. Me say ya una ewo mi mu no be bo no dua. Me de be fasirem. Me fasirem na anye ya me de be kwa ayigbe. Ayigbe anye ya me de be ko Burkina Faso. Burkina Faso anye ya me de be ko Abidjan. Eho anye ya me ko Benin. Eho Benin anye ya me ko Togo.
I catch them sa ma me friend Fati. Hajia nem fatano. Because she's a disgrace to the word Hajia. At the current time, because we're a disgrace to the word Hajia, saying Krimuni Papa Bia or didn't Mama Sifom at some Onyankopon Aya Alano, Sanquas Yakase we onka. Until Utim says she has already been cursed or now a born Hudian or two. And Hajia, David Abifati. So Peso Bumdia, Samira Baomiana Kubusan say. Kubusan say, Papa no corn, Hona Papa Nebugu demono, oncho Papa no. Now, Togo ne Ivory Coast, ne, Okra should I need directions. Almost almost Jimmy, me say, over so bomb diakra menka, yan wadem. Ubo wianam sma bomb de siaw. Ma bodam. Ubodia. Uye nkremoni. Okasasa jantreni. Uye nkremoni. Nkremoni a wako Hajj. Wako edin mama akobo from abom pa yasre boniface at your age. Oda nguti TV so bobodia. Na just am so diabo. Me say bo. Di nka ko Samira ho. Na ka say duro no course oni afenyo marking course so mukokumi no. On kire say duro no so. Wa bodam. Na nti just ka say ope ma me ayeden. Ope me ma me ayeden. So e den. E na oni me duro. Bo e wona bo say me ma me o e den kire. Kwasi aba. Odi nkwasi asem ye na edi nkwasi asem kire mu a na mo afe moto. Bomba omba no mugu national security no Blue Gate won ne national security no. From where no mo mebo no bodua no. Enkwasi asem sa mami we NDC time na MPP time no obo journalist for asum mami we who fin bi who fin sa pofi and these are the people yes we depending atem obi a we Hajia waso akoma akobom paye onyo twen we Jimmy ankasa. I'm even ashamed to say amanfo bi o man no fra so we Hajia and I want to osum na se. You are a disgrace to the Islamic religion. I'm telling you. In Kremoniba, when you are fit to sell chain, Now with the TV so make bo dia mekwaha. You are a disgrace to Islam. A dirty woman. A very dirty woman. You are a disgrace to the Islamic religion. And in penifo one krimus also befro, Mr. Bodiano what their men can want them. I want you to do it. Try na shadie. And I just memoir. Try your body na shadie. Ni an shadie. You be pupu first. Try and see. Kwasi asem nkwa na mrete gano wenum tantan se wacha bomu. Kwasi akeka. Wenum black. O pa me ma mi ehunu. O bodam. O basa se efie kuma banche, efie kuma for sorry. Enkwara sem we na ekoso o kwa kapes we di pagina tem. O to kan o to kan se sala cow. Motete Ghana ha munsue nyansa enkyere mebunu no de oso mo ye wonfa mo nya mo nyini na mo jimi entafo mo MPP mu de bi on person mo impress MPP accentfo ne akamfo tani aboa unimu krom tani aboa MPP entafo no mugumu no omo ese nwan de omo ya ne se yembo ye bra na asantefo ne mpa ya asem odwan at your age enche obewu na ote okeka nkwase asem me na obom dia me se try ne hwe ko busa Samira first ba wo mi ayere no ko ne ko busa no obusa no yana chese papa na oye duro no ma no papa na obu agude on fa onko no ho buji samu na mu ne duro on ututum se kokuo na wei me penkremoni abuna me hu Hajia papa me hu me penkremoni papa abuna me hu wo Fati wano tantan se selection abegina Kevin Taylor maame o de maame bo na me beso be kan ho asempo hyedem na bo eda na obehye ma bo no bewu adam kwasiafo we na yempeni fom de MPP anim no o fi se efie kuma banche efie kuma for sorry say efie kuma banche no e organic into tu a na efie bi wo ho ene na kokoro na de bo ampesi a efie kuma for kwasiasem now maame nchiro bibi Share another share as a fofro share. In fact, before I go there, let me why did I put this on? I won't do this now. I'll take care of it later.
Everybody know it.
Wait, Jimmy, share. Look at this. Wow, share.
Everybody know it. It's quite clear. But the NDC, this is a warning to the NDC. But we are telling them, the MPP and the elephant, Abua also no. The elephant never forgets. When they joke, whatever the NDC is doing today, we will do it double, we'll do it triple when power change. And we are sending this signal, this caution to John Dramani Mahama, the president, that he shouldn't joke. And John Mahama will be the president. In the history of Ghana, John Mahama will be the president that at the end of his term, he will be a president who ended his term and he will be prosecuted. He will be prosecuted because Ghana is not belongs to John Mahama. Ghana is not belongs to NDC. Ghana belongs to Ghanaians. And we are Ghanaians. And this country, they shouldn't think we are in a revolution time. They shouldn't think that it was the time they killed judges, the PNDC, NDC. The judges, when judges come from court, when they didn't know anything, they should look at their...
Oh, hanky ne gutano no. Oh, you had before the quenchi. Not a fan no, not a fan nim. Wasia. Way or the obechi. Where Sala cow and I had your Fati Sala cowress. She's a cow stress. What's your fool? In time for the MPP, no. Oh my Jimmy time. In time for the MPP, no. Minim the idea somo. Say champion fienia through so. In time for them MPP, no. They be on beso mu prove point. Yeah, Sala cow. Sala neba we need in bedi. Wait, so go ahead to 250. The who think anything. MPP national chairman you. Na because I'm with Jimmy. Because I'm with Jimmy. She. When MPP party of intellectuals no. Omo chairman ni national chairman ni. Me say hanky ne kutano no handkerchief no. Owie kasa wiara na no ntosioro odbe fa na no hu sei owie no da fa de ko achi no asade afa na nim na asabe ne buttons no da fa na motiom kwasia wo be ma warning Jimmy from Kwan di party nim. It is sometimes you ask yourselves, now we man some almost me special MPP got talent bi owura bi mu ana na mo koye de pum. Ana ni be mu free ba. Ana de na me ya MPP mu ne say me hu ntafo no mo he mmobo e wa MPP nim. Sa MPP ntafo no. Ade a asantini nye, ko ni nye, bunu ni nye. Eye achimni o MPP nye. Na MPP ntafo no bi o ma pa o mo villa no mo Jimmy. Go back and check MPP. A Jimmy a course to see no. One of them Jimmy Power. Take your time and step back. Even they are TikTokers. So we study omu good TikToker omu Jimmy ma MPP and tafo. And sometimes you ask yourself, don't want tafo na mo MPP mu no. Ayana audition actually as Antifonia say you account for say mu ye nipa na. Because the moment obi 10 you be MPP mu no I Jimmy for. But we see Interfor in other political parties. We see Interfor in NDC, Interfor in other parties. We see how they comport themselves. A 10-year kwara abrewa penyini ura MPP will pay no adane salakao. It's inferiority complex and I say a day. And now you want a place to fit in the party. Salam Mustafa, I'm going to be Miracle. Sometimes some of you people don't know. I think say I look too good. I look too good. I've taken care of myself very well. And I look too fresh for you people to sometimes underestimate me. Oh, Kevin Taylor, last minute so big. Kevin Taylor, small boy. Masa, mo party no. I am older than Samia Uku. Samia Uku. Also, who nabaga say, on a woman. I am older than Samia Uku. I am older than Kujo Ponkroma. Me when I fe, and I'm who offenti. They be me, I'm going to say me akara. I'm not a kid. I am older than Salam Mustafa. Yes. Me nyini chen Samia Uku. Me nyini chen Kujo Pon. O Kujo Pon ko no hu wi. O ne hu gray hair. I say tu no in Sansuru. I am older than Salam Mustafa. I am older than Akosia Menu. Gana na hwini se bininu. I am older than her. I am older than Abronye. Also mu nyina hu mo asam kokora ne mrewa. I am older than Amadokua. Gana nenufu sa dansen hu fi no. I'm older than her. I am older than Samuel Abujinapo. I am older than him. I am older than Nana B. I can go on and on and on. Me when and sometimes, some of you watch me and say, Kevin Taylor is small boy. I'm sure I'm so much Jimmy na mugu MPP ni 90% of the community, Dennis Miracle boy, I'm older than him. Also, you are shocked. That is me. I am able to make sure say Obia OTM might think say I'm young. I'm not. Into my party nankasano, my new generation, I can read their mind. These are all kids. Omo do that level na to understand what we do. They don't get it. They don't understand it. They will never understand what we do because baby in terms of reasoning, understanding what we are doing, directing people's minds, telling them the truth and shaping it, educate. You don't understand. I'm older than all of them. But say Kevin is a small boy. Kevin Kevin I'm older than all these people I've mentioned. Yeah. Intana mon korana mo party mu no mo kasa metwehwe mo sam say mo be ma no ho fa da ho mo mixed tribe infantini ahunani aya mixing na ho fa mo sheda ho bi da. So you might think I'm a kid. I'm not. Adibia maybe I'm calculated in whatever I do. I am very calculated in every single thing. Every decision I take, I am calculated about it. So don't underestimate what we do here. Don't think say, oh, when you're some boy bina or can I do no. Don't ever underestimate me. So many of you in your MPP, I can put all of you in a classroom and lecture you. Yeah. A man can put a man call a man domina to sa. MPP for man, omunina and quara. A man cried domina to sa. A man domina to sa. But you see me, I can mix with every group because my shame huye. I've taken care of myself very well. And I try to respect every single person. But nipa amwe Jimmy was I see we so adebia metia mo MPP because most of you are stupid. Most of you are not intelligent. Most of you are not smart. You cannot think beyond your tribe, any party, no. That is your biggest problem. It's party, no, meguno. I am a cancer when I am straight. I am not mekanwi na mestre na so wenya hwe. Meguno 2028. I'll condemn it. Wallahi. And Allah, the omnipotent, Allah the merciful. What I do, so I didn't say, my hoarding any nyansebia minima. You see, so many people have tried to do what I do. They can't do it. And people at this point are trying to use me as a leverage. People want to use me as their propeller. They want to use me as their springboard to be noticed around the world when it comes to Ghana politics and social issues. So many of them. And obi to me, Eddie BB to internet. So without my picture, only even 20 views or 10 comments. It is me, and this is what God has made me. I control. I am a nice guy. Now, we take care of business.
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it.